Looking for the best laminators? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 laminators on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Fellows, Laminator with Starter Kit. Machine is ready in 1 minute. Has an automatic shut-off. Versatile wide width. Brand is known for quality. A mid-priced machine from a leading manufacturer in office products. Arrives with limited 3mm pouches. Not designed to handle pouches thicker than 5mm. At number 2. Crenova, 4-in-1 Laminator. Can laminate 50 documents in under an hour. The compact design makes it easy to store on tables whether in the office or at home. Lightweight design also makes this extremely portable. A compact laminator that never jams up and has high-speed lamination settings. Accessories do not work very well. At number 1. Swingline GBC Fusion 7000 liters Thermal Laminator. Laminator quickly heats up and is ready to work. Can laminate quickly and with little to no errors. Thickness detection makes it easy to laminate various materials without pressing too many buttons. A fast and highly productive laminator that heats up quickly and has features such as thickness detection. Laminator can jam sometimes. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.